He's so cute whenever he eats. No more, no more, no more, no more. What? What? No, no more. Yeah, you sit back there. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Hope everyone's all good today. So yeah, I just spent a part of my morning here sorting out my files. God, you are really happy. Bringing the trash out. Every time he hears crackly noises from my paper bags, automatically thinks the streets. Morning baths are the best. Oh, nothing like a fresh bath in the morning. I feel rejuvenated. Let's go. Now, son, get in there. Ooh. You excited to see Macamia? Hello. 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 Oh, hello. Mac, here's a big one. Here's a big one. Here's a big one. Good. Where's a player? Here's the dogs barking. And he's away. Who's that? It's Granny Bubs. Granny Bub has no chill. I told her to wait 5 minutes so I can get myself ready. And she just left with the dogs, so I had to catch up with them in the park. It's such a nice day today. Look how nice the ocean is. It's so blue. Mia! He's a good girl. What's wrong with you? Hello? Hello? He thinks he's one of the big dogs. You want to run with the big dogs, boy? Yeah, boy. Have fun in the park. Yeah. Mia? Lift me up. Pick me up. I just said beach and they just sprinted down. Okay, okay. Goddamn dogs are so demanding. Go. Bro, you can do this. You can do this, bro. You don't need me. Come on. Come on, bro. Yeah. Hugo loves the beach. He's a beach dog. He wants to get that beach 6-pack. Go. You want to get that beach doggy 6-pack? I love... No. I love you. Mia. Mia. I love you. Oh. Really, Mia? Come here. I got you something. This is for you. Hey, don't stop it. No, Hugo. This is for you. It's a present. It's a present, Hugo. No, stop eating it. It's a present. No. This is for you to give to your girlfriend. Okay? It's for you to give to your girlfriend. My man Hugo is a savage. Savage. Woo! Oh, look at them playing. So cute. Hugo loves his sister. Oh. Hugo's going hyper. Going hyper. I love you guys. I have never seen Hugo this hyper before. Look at him go! So I'm just eating one of my favourite food that my granny makes. Like rice, and it's full of nuts and pork. Timothy just pulled up there because he took ages. Dude, you took like half an hour. Listen, traffic. That's okay, because Tim brought me a present. Thank you, bro. That's very nice of you. I will do an extensive review whenever I get home. Tim's actually cleaning his car for once. For those of you that don't know Tim, he's one of them guys that has a really messy car. He's tired now. He's ready for bed. Okay, so I'm just home there. I have a few things to do because I have a video shoot for some sort of golf course. So I need to get some equipments charged. Preparation is not really my strong point, but I'm trying really hard to work on it. Okay, so I'm going to put one banana, some almond milk, some maca powder. Okay, so let's check this baby out. Load it with protein, calcium, iron, and vitamin B6. This shake is very, very good for you. Guys, you should try and invest in some maca powder. A lot of good benefits. We had some red onions, mushrooms, and also I'm watching Bad Neighbours on TV. New today we have grilled steak, salad, and onions and mushrooms and Worcester sauce. Voila! I'll get a Hugo. There's a nice comfy sofa down there, but I just want to sit in my lap. The thing is, he doesn't even want to get off. Hugo, come on, get off me. Come on, down. I'm doing a promo video for this golf course, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Woo. You kidding me? I just washed my car. So we're just back in the apartment there. You just did a poo outside, you did a poo inside. You bad boy. Oh my god, I love you. Hi babe. Ooh, what is going on here? That doesn't work? Really dude, you're hungry again? So yeah, I was in IKEA there and I bought one of these shelf thingies. I don't know what these shelf things looks like. It actually kind of looks like this, but it's slightly taller. I was thinking around here maybe. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do to this area here. I might want to move the desk about, whatever looks better. My new chair. I spent all morning yesterday building it. Oh, scary. I feel as if like every YouTuber needs one of these chairs. Like, if you want one of these chairs, are you really a YouTuber? Nah, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, so this is a Vertigear SL2000 gaming chair. It comes with a 3-way adjustable armrest that goes forwards, inwards, and up, and also an adjustable incline lever for the chair to go forwards and back. 2 cushions for your neck and the lower back. Also a crotch pivot to rest your balls. But yeah, that's the chair. Give me a sec so I can build this and I'll show you what it looks like.
A few moments later.
It looks average as hell. What do you think of the shelf, Hugo? What do you think of the shelf? You good boy? Yeah, he's a good boy. Don't jerk off, dude. Oh yeah, by the way guys, Hugo like jerks off at least 10 times a day. No, I'm not a bad boy, just let me jerk off. Me and Becca's 5-year anniversary yesterday, so I bought her some nice flowers. These flowers actually stink. They're so pretty though. So do you remember the other day whenever I dyed Tim's hair? Because like guys, I kind of like it too. I've got all the components here. Wherever these powders are, I don't know. I'm not the one who's doing it, Becca's the hookup. Peroxide, whatever, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. And finally, blah blah blah. Earlier we were in town and Becca was getting her septum piercing. Let's see baby. Ooh, wow, that looks really nice on you.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, now we wait. We're watching the new 13 Reasons Why, and it's getting pretty good. So yeah, after the first set of bleach, Becca's just cooking up more bleach, and I'm gonna get rid of all this copper gingerness. Whenever the bleach was on my hair, I was scratching the side. See where there's like black marks that haven't been bleached, and this side is even worse. Look at this big massive one here. Second round bleach was pretty good.
Actually, I'm very happy for you.
That's way better. What do you think this is going to turn out, babe?
Yeah.
I'm worried about
Yeah? So we are putting toner in my hair now. What does toner do again? I forgot.
It tones out all the yellow.
It tones out all the yellow. Oh yeah guys, yesterday I forgot to do the final viewing of my hair. What do you think guys? Yo, what do you think of my hair?
Beautiful.
You like it?
It's best.
Thank you.
Sit. Off. No. Sit. Off. Up, up. Butter. You will never lie about it. Better.
You're giving my dog a boner or whatever you're doing.
I mean, don't lie.
So I'm just finished walking Hugo there. Man, he's thirsty. I'm always really scared of walking Hugo because like, you know, like he's a French Bulldog and like apparently French Bulldog have really bad like overheating problems. Dental stick for Hugo to keep his breath in check, you know, because he be getting all the honeys. Yeah, he's a good boy. I love these dogs. They just keep you amused for ages. These dogs is you don't need to walk much to tire them out. Ever noticed that how big Hugo's nutsack? So funny guys, the first time Bubs has met Hugo, she just stared at his nutsack like, wow. And like I was just like, What's wrong, he says? Why you stare at my dog's nuts? Eh? What do you think? Just to spice things up a bit for the shelves, I've hooked up Philip Hughes light strips just behind there. Blue, green, purple, but I like red. Okay, so let's try this one. I think I'm going to end the vlogs here, guys. I'm pretty tired and Beck is in bed and I can't really talk too loud. I can't wait to do a review of these headphones, which I will do in my next video. I'm a huge fan of these headphones, the Boss QC35 Mark IIs. I already have the QC35 Mark 1s. These are by far my favourite headphones, so I'm actually really excited of how these will go. If you like the video, give it a like. If you love the videos I make, subscribe. These guys, love yous.